Welcome to Mind Discipline Lab. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and it goes. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel weak. This is the first lesson of the mind. Many people wait for motivation. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel excited. They wait to feel inspired. But life does not wait. Psychology teaches us something important. Feelings are not stable. Feelings change with sleep. Feelings change with food. Feelings change with weather. Feelings change with problems. This is why motivation often fails. In simple words, motivation is emotional energy. Emotional energy is not permanent. It is like fire made of paper. It burns fast. It disappears fast. A student feels motivated at night. In the morning, the feeling is gone. A person feels motivated after a video. After 1 hour, the feeling is weak. This is normal. This is human psychology. In basic psychology books, we learn this rule: behavior that depends on emotion. This means if you act only when you feel good, your actions will be weak and broken. Now, let us talk about discipline. Discipline is not a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Discipline is a habit. Discipline is a system. When you brush your teeth, you do not need motivation. You do it because it is your routine. This is discipline. Philosophy teaches this idea very clearly. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." This quote is simple. It means decide first, then act. Do not wait for feelings. Stoicism teaches control. Control over the mind, control over desires, control over emotions. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is mental control. In psychology, this is called self-regulation. Self-regulation means controlling your actions, even when you do not feel like acting. A disciplined person acts in silence. No excitement, no drama, only action. Motivation I. Motivation says, "I will start tomorrow." Discipline says, "I start now." This is why discipline wins. In textbook psychology, we learn about habit loops. A habit has 3 parts: cue, action, reward. Discipline builds habits. Motivation does not. Motivation gives a push. Discipline builds a path. A push is temporary. A path is permanent. Now think about a soldier. A soldier cannot wait for motivation. A soldier follows discipline. Think about a monk. A monk wakes up early every day, not because of motivation, because of discipline. Japanese philosophy teaches this idea deeply. In Zen practice, discipline is respected. Silence, routine, repetition. A samurai trained every day, even when tired, even when bored. This training built strength, not motivation. Motivation is easy in comfort. Discipline works in discomfort. This is an important sentence. Listen carefully. Motivation works when life is easy. Discipline works when you want to study. You wait to feel motivated. The phone calls you. The bed feels warm. The mind gives excuses. Motivation disappears. But discipline says, "I study at this time every day. No question, no debate." This is mental strength. Psychology calls this delayed gratification. Delayed gratification means choosing long-term benefit over short-term pleasure. Discipline is the power of delayed gratification. The famous psychologist Walter Mischel showed this in the marshmallow experiment. Children who waited had better life results later. Why? Because they learned control. Control is discipline. Philosopher Aristotle said, We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. This means greatness is not motivation. It is repeated discipline. Now understand this clearly. Motivation starts the journey. Discipline finishes the journey. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the engine. Without discipline, motivation dies. This is the truth of the strong mind. The strong mind does not ask, "How do I feel?" The strong mind asks, "What must be done?" This is the end of Section 1.